Alright guys, now let's see how to work with this simple problem we have. It says mention the property used in following examples. Now you guys need to know this. Try doing it yourself. Go back to your textbooks or videos and check. Alright, if you're not getting it, then let's continue with the video. Right. So now anyway, I can see that I have this property 1 and 1. If I multiply 1 with anything, it remains the same. In fact, this whole equation can be written in two ways. I can write minus 4 by 5 into 1 is minus 4 by 5. So 1 is that kind of a number. If I multiply with this guy, the guy remains same. So if you remember, if a into 1 is a, 1 is called as multiplicative identity, right? So that's what he's looking for. So the property here is he is looking for is multiplicative identity. So I can write this guy into 1 is the same answer, or I can write 1 into minus 4 by 5 is also minus 4 by 5. So the whole equation can be actually written in two equations. Anything that is 1 into anything is the same thing, right? Or I can say 4 by 5 into 1 is the same thing. So this is the property of 1, where if it is multiplied with any number, the number remains same. That is the multiplicative identity. We answer this. Come back to this guy. Here I can see that 13 by 17 is first and minus 2 by 7 is next. And in this case, this guy comes and this guy comes next. So it looks like A into B is B into A. That guy is what? This is commutative property. We know this, right? So now let's check with this guy. See, the answer is 1. The answer is multiplicative identity. So I know that any number, let's say A, into its inverse, that is 1 by A, should give me 1. This is actually inverse axiom, right? So I can see this number and this number are same, but there is a reciprocal. If it is 19 by 29, this is 29 by 19. I just reciprocate the second number or whatever it is in the first number. Then if I multiply them, I think everything cancels up. Let's say minus 19 by 29, 29 by minus 19. I can say this cancels up to give you 1. When it gives you 1, it's called 1. This guy is nothing but multiplicative inverse, right? So I can write this guy as inverse multiplicative inverse, right? Property is used. That's all about it, right?